Hey Vicky, this is Matt, the guy that talked to your dad about that tree. Yes, I was just going to see what you thought. If you thought two would get that tree. Hello, Vicky? What's wrong? I think I just lost a $30,000 tree. How'd that happen?
Mike, where'd you come from?
Yeah, where you been hiding at?
Man, I had to park way down there on that hill, man. They got the traffic blocked off.
You're the man we need to see.
What's going on?
Just tell Nathan about a tree I found, $30,000 tree.
Really?
In all my years, I've never seen one that size.
That's what she said. So you offered a what?
Two
What?
200? 2,000.
Did you say 2,000 or you?
No, I just said two and she hung up the phone on me.
That's why you don't go, man. You call Mike and Mike take care of these deals for us, man.
He's here now, let's go.
No, you don't need to be going back up there.
I'll go change and talk to her, see what happens. Hey, I'm Mike.
Nice to meet you, Mike.
I think you talked to one of my guys I work with, Matthew, about a tree. Would you be willing to sell the tree?
Absolutely not. It is not negotiable at
Okay.
all. That tree's been in our family for years.
Wow.
I played in it when I was young. I'm not giving up the tree for $200.
No,
My memories were made there.
It was supposed to be 2,000.
2000.
Yes. Yeah, he was supposed to offer you 2,000. He may just. It was a phone call.
Maybe a miscommunication somehow. Matt was pretty nice now that I think about it. Yeah,
No, I mean.
wasn't realizing that it was $2,000.
No, it's $2,000 he was going to offer you the tree because.
He wasn't clear.
But if you ever do want to sell it, that's the price we're looking at.
Right.
Try to get it. So.
Well, it just became negotiable.
Oh.